and I'm trying to sort my pictures. And I know everybody has got to be having the same problem where you're not sure where to put certain pictures, you're not sure the categories and some of that thing. So I thought I would show you what I came up with because so far it's helped me. I am 3/4 of the way done of sorting all of my pictures, and I'm super excited. I will leave a couple of videos listed below that I where I've done some others. So this is just some subcategories that I've done. This is my grandson David's folder, and what I've done is I've come up with all of these subcategories. And the way I decided I was going to do it is I would come up with things that remind me of him. Like here's a couple of with him with some dogs. This is when they got their puppy rangers. So I put another subfolder in that. And all you do is you're going to hit click at the new button, hit new folder, you label it, and then it comes up here like this. So this subfolder here has pictures of him and his dog Ranger, and I have baby pictures of him, and I have newborn pictures. I also put a folder in here. It's called Not Scrapbooking. These are some of the pictures that I'm going to need to edit. I'm not sure I'm going to be using those, so I just put those in a separate folder so I still have them. So these are all different ones, and I will start when I print them out. I know these are the ones I want to print, and then I'll start sorting them out and figure out how I want to put them on layout. I have him cooking with his mom. They're making cookies and stuff. And again, I have that not scrapbooking one because these are ones that are not as good as the rest of them that I don't think I'm going to scrapbook, but I still have them available if I decide I want to. I had them dressing up because they used to love putting costumes and stuff on. So I put anything in here, like him wearing the sunglasses, him wearing his dad's shirt, a cape, look at the sunglasses. So anything with him dressing up. And then I have faces. Now the faces to me is one that shows their personality. Anything that pops up to me and I see it, and I'm like, oh, he always makes these cute little faces and silly. Look, that's his smile all day. And then this where he's looking at you like, okay, and that's his famous word, okay. So that picture's got to have an okay on it. And this one here, like looking at you like you're crazy. So there's just all of him trying not to laugh at his mom. So I just have all of these pictures. The other one I had it's filter pictures because they did like to play with the filters and take pictures when they were younger. And I had them just having fun, just different places. They're outside or in the playgrounds or something, playing and having fun. Now this little boy, it loves hats, so he's always putting these hats on. And so I made a folder with him. Look at this one. He actually put a lampshade on his head. He's always making hats. Everything was a hat, especially when he was younger. And this is a video of him looking at himself with wearing this costume hat, and he was laughing and making fun and making a video. So that'll go on a QR code when I do this layout. And I have a nature layout. This is where they're outside playing, they're in the snow, and he's in the leaves. And I'm thinking of doing this one as maybe seasons, and I'll do one layout and just get a picture of him in different seasons. I thought that would be kind of cool. And then this is just him playing, outside riding his bike or whatever. All the school pictures are together. And then I have him being silly. And this is he's just such a sweet boy. And this little boy would fall asleep in any position. You would never believe some of these positions this child falls asleep in. And yes, he is sound asleep. He is not pretending there. And this is him with any kind of sports. I don't have a lot of these yet, but I'm still sorting. And this is him, and he's got a ball in his hand when he was playing outside. And so this is not sports like he's playing sports. This is just him playing outside, playing sports. Um, and then I have him just sweet pictures, like you see these faces. Like this one is one that I think of like that's just a sweet picture. His brother Kenneth, I did kind of the same thing. I'm still working on his, so I want to go. There we go. So Kenneth, I just started, but I have an animals one for him. Let me get to his folder. There we go. So I have animals. Um, him playing, dress up and him as a newborn, sports, sweet, so I just go through here and I think of different things that's going to remind me of these kids, this particular child, and I put them in there. This child is super helpful, loves to play, loves being silly. Like this one here. Look at his face. This is him. This is him just being silly. Do I have one over here? No. So I'm just going to make a new folder, and I'm just going to put silly because that's just him. He's very loyal and with his friends, and he's a great kid. So I'm going to put, where did that picture go now? Here, this is one of him being silly. There it is, silly. Where did it go? It's all in alphabetical order. So guys, I hope this helps. Look at him playing peekaboo. So I hope this helps you guys. I am going to continue sorting my pictures. If you have any questions or anything that you are having problems with, or got any suggestions, I'd love to hear them. I will leave the videos attached to the ones that I've done on sorting these the first way I started sorting these. If you have any problems, let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, everybody.